Hi, Tomo. What do you want? You want milk? Okay. Move. And some milk? You know, yeah, you sit down. So I can use cups. Is it good? Oops. And Mommy put in the milk book. Bye-bye. And guess what he's gonna do? Uh-oh, uh-oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Uh-uh, uh-uh. Uh-uh, uh-uh. No, no, no. No, 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 no. You want more milk? Say more. Milk. Say milk. Milk. Yeah. That's milk. Toma. Toma. No, 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 no. Toma. Look, look. Milk. This is milk. Milk. You don't do that. Do the milk. You know what to do. Good job. He's a smart boy. Use both hands, yes. Done? Okay. Say bye-bye.